Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I know what you are thinking. Artificial intelligence? Is that something only robots care about? Well, let me tell you. AI is not just for robots, it's for you too. Whether you are a coder, a designer, or someone who just likes to impress their friends with fancy words, AI is the next big thing you don't want to miss. Trust me, if you are not learning AI right now, you are like that person still using a flip phone in 2024. Sure, you are surviving, but you could be living your best tech life. So grab your laptop and let's talk about why AI is not just the future, but the right now. So now, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's talk about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what is social media Twitter. So let's start and let's talk about it what are ChatGPT 3.5 social media Twitter. So let's start. Using ChatGPT 3.5 to write a Twitter content. You can also use the ChatGPT 3.5 to write your own Twitter content. Now, using ChatGPT 3.5 to create a Twitter content is like having a team of creatives at your side. ChatGPT can save time and keep your followers updated. Now, let me define a tweet goal. Before using a generative AI to help you, set a clear goal for your tweet. For example goals, first, promote a new product or deal. Number 2, keep followers updated. Number 3, engaging with followers. We will give examples of all of these. Know your followers. To get noticed by your audience, it is important to know what they are interested in. For example, interests. First, learning interest means people looking to learn within a topic. Number 2, brand interest. People who love your brand. Number 3, conversion interest. People who actively use Twitter to engage in conversion. Ask ChatGPT for help. Now, we can use ChatGPT to write the first draft for each part. For out examples, we will use now we are using the here I'm using we will use quote with pk.com products and news. Example 1, I am giving him today. I am giving one example. I am giving promote a new product. I am giving him to promote a new product. Like I am giving the this type of prompt. Create a Twitter post that announce code with PK spaces and its key features for people learning to build websites. So this type of prompt I am giving to ChatGPT. Let's see the output of it. Now I'm giving it to the ChatGPT. So now I'm pasting this prompt. I said to the ChatGPT, create a one Twitter post that announces the code with PK spaces and its key features for people learning to build a website. Now let me press enter. So now it is giving me excited to introduce code with PK web spaces, your go-to platform for learning, building and website. Key features: beginner friendly tutorials, hand-on projects, design and adaptive, live Q&A session. Start your web development journey today. And here you give your website link. So this type of one, it has been giving me a Twitter post that announces the code with PK spaces. Now let's comment it down. In the diagram it is giving me this type of, it is the same, okay, it not are very different. Number 2 example. Now number 2 example is keep followers updated. First example I told you about the promote a new product. Now second example is keep followers updated. Now I'm giving this type of prompt to the ChatGPT, like create a Twitter post about how 300 plus AWS training videos are now included for code with PK premium user, include a call to action. And in the diagram it give me this type of output, but let me see how it give me the output. In the diagram it is give this type of output. Now let me paste it. Now first of all I create a new chat, and if you do not log in it, so you only want to do it, log in it in the ChatGPT 3.5, and then now and I write this type of prompt: create a Twitter post about how 300 plus AWS training videos, means Amazon AWS training videos are included for code with PK premium users, include a call to action. Enter press. So now to give me exciting news for Code with PK Premium user, you have to access the 300 plus training AWS training videos, boost your cloud skills and elevate your tech game like never before. Upgrade to Premium today and unlock this power resource. And you give here your link. Okay. So and there is coming like hashtags. So and in the diagram it give me this type of output. There is not any difference in this type in this diagram and here. Okay, these are same. Okay, not any different, little bit difference in it but not many. Okay, so example 2, I told you about key followers updated. Now I told you example 1 and example 2. Now let's come on to example 3, engage with followers. Now I'm writing a one prompt to the ChatGPT, create a one Twitter post that asks tech influencers and teachers, teacher means school teachers, to discuss code with PK spaces. Okay, code with PK spaces. Include a link to the product, and you will be include a link to a product. So I'm giving you this type of prompt. Create a Twitter post that asks tech influencers. If you don't know what is tech influencers, go here. Tag what is tech influencers. So they are coming a tag and someone who uses their expertise and personality to connect with their about with others about technology. Okay, this is called a tech influencer. And teachers like school teachers and that you study in the school. So teachers, you all know what's teachers. To discuss code with PK. Here you give your own spaces. I give the code with PK spaces and include a link to a product. So this type of one prompt, let me write it. So let's see the output of it. Now it is giving me, so it is taking a little bit time. Okay, so let's see. Okay, why it is stuck in the one place? Oh, no, it is coming. Calling all tech influencers and educators. Have you explored coded PK spaces yet? It's where innovation meet calibration. We love to hear your thought. Dive in and let's discuss. And you write your link here. Your feedback will shape the future of learning. And here's come your hashtags. So this type of output has been given me, and here it is giving me this type of output. There is not any difference. There is in the settings there is a little bit different, but in the text there these are not different. Okay, post and engage with your audience. Post is once you have reviewed. Okay, means post is called once you have reviewed, personalize and are happy with your tweet. Remember to respond to replies and retweets. Means when you post or engage with your audience, so please reply or retweets, because then the people are annoying like he is not replying me. So please remember to respond to replies and retweets. Okay, so here you can see in today's video I talk about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what is the social media, Twitter. Okay, now the next video has been come on the Instagram, then the next video has been coming out the Facebook. Okay, now our social media series has been started. So there is only 2 videos about the social media, then and we'll learn more about the ChatGPT 3.5. Then our ChatGPT 3.5 series will be ended. Then we start ChatGPT 4.0. We start a latest version of the ChatGPT. So here you can see in today's video we learn about in the ChatGPT 3.5 in the social media, what is Twitter. So I hope you can enjoy this class. So if you enjoy, so please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss over these type of videos of the ChatGPT 3.5 means generative AI. So come onto my channel, and when you come onto my channel name is Code with PK. When you say to the ChatGPT, who is Code with PK? So it gave me Code with PK, personal brand or platform, not like this. Who is Code with PK? He has a channel on YouTube. Go to PK one of YouTube channel. If are asking his content, you should more details. Give me link of his channel. Okay, it not give me the link. Okay, so it will be not give me the direct link, which it PK created. So let's see the output of it. Okay, give me this type of output. But anyways, let's come on my Code PK channel. Then click on it, and we are very near to 9,100 subscribers. So please complete it. And then when you come on it here, so then you only want to do it, click popular, and when you click on the popular, then see my all the videos and come on to the playlist and access my generative AI roadmap for beginners playlist and bookmark my all the videos of it and see all the videos of it and like all the videos. And you successfully completed on my playlist. You successfully completed 130 views. So please go on it into the 1000. Okay, to my playlist. But anyways, I told you about in the generative AI, what is the ChatGPT, about the social media, Twitter. So I hope you can enjoy this class. So now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. Why you should start learning artificial intelligence right now. Whether you want to impress your friends, become the next tech genius, or just know what all the fuss is about, AI is the way to go. It's not just the future, it's happening now. So why not get ahead of the curve? If you are excited about AI, make sure to like, share and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring the world of tech together, and remember, in the world of AI there is always more to learn. So now for today, goodbye.